This doctor made the biggest mistake in the world by cutting this girl's cast. When it is that time of the month to cut off this girl's cast, the original doctor wasn't there to do it, so they asked a substitute to remove the cast. They thought it would be a good idea as it was a simple process, but who knew this would be the biggest mistake ever? While cutting, this happened.
What? What happened?
But you will definitely need to see how the mum reacts.
You okay? The vibration's more on your elbow and right here, because there's a lot of little bones there. Okay, so what did she just feel just now? It's just when it drops to the 2 layers of cast, but nothing's wrong with it. Okay.
But that's not even the most shocking part. But wait, how much do you love your mother? Ignore, leave a like, comment a heart, subscribe, do everything, press share, and press the first button. They ended up finishing the procedure without any problems.